Welcome to this video presentation of TNA Group. TNA Group is a Netherlands and Thailand joint venture fertilizer manufacturer. TNA Group specializes in manufacturing specialty plant nutrients such as liquid, effervescent tablet, and powder fertilizers for foliar spray and fertigation. TNA Group started in 2005 with the founding of the TNA Blossom factory in Thailand to manufacture foliar fertilizers. Due to high demand, TNA Group continued to expand with a new manufacturing facility in 2013. TNA Blossom joined forces with PH Muller BV from the Netherlands to meet increasing demand and expand to overseas markets, opening a brand new high-tech facility in 2022. Using modern machinery, automation and technology from the Netherlands, TNA Group can produce high-quality liquid fertilizers in high concentrations and different combinations. TNA Group's manufacturing capacity is 10 million liters per year. TNA Group installed an automated liquid filling line to greatly increase our packaging quality and production capacity for packaged liquid fertilizers. Quality assurance systems are maintained to ensure the quality of each product we export. Our automated powder packaging line is inside an atmosphere-controlled room to ensure quality and solubility. Effervescent tablet fertilizers are among our key innovations. A special manufacturing and packaging control room ensures their quality and solubility. TNA Group's emphasis is on quality, research, and innovation. We built our own in-house research and development laboratory, staffed by chemists, for research and product development. In 2020, TNA Group partnered with a major university to provide academic research, trial research and product development. And quality control is our highest priority. Each production batch is thoroughly checked and analyzed before export by our in-house laboratory and supported by certified third-party laboratories. Over the last 8 years, TNA Group has expanded rapidly to over 14 countries with product registrations ongoing and several more. Our goal is to export to 20+ countries in Asia and Africa by the end of 2025. We thank you for your attention and we warmly invite you to contact us and visit our facility near Bangkok, Thailand. We hope you will be part of TNA Group's journey and grow together to a brighter future.